Hey guys, this is Sincerely Niko and I'm a part of Sephora Squad. I'm going to show you guys how to get this Fenty eyeshadow look using some Fenty Beauty products and the full frontal mascara. If you guys are interested in this video, then definitely keep on watching. Alright, so now that you guys know I'm using on my face, let's go ahead and move on into the eyeshadow look using the Snap Shadows from Fenty Beauty. Alright, so I'm going to start off by using the Pro Filter Amplify Eyeshadow Primer from Fenty Beauty. And I'm just going to simply take that right onto the lid. And then I'm going to go ahead and just blend that right on out. Going into Snap Shadow number 5, I'm going to take the shade Shoot Your Shot. And I'm going to apply this right on the outer section of my eye. Going back into that palette, I'm going to pick up the shade called Butter Rum. And I'm going to pop that on the lid in the inner to center of the eye. Alright, so final step before we complete this look, I'm going to go back into the Snap Shadow number 5 and I'm going to take the shade called Bellini Baby and I'm going to pop that on my lids. And I'm going to use my ring finger. Alright, so we're going to take the Fenty Beauty Fly Pencil eyeliner in Cause I'm Black and we're going to go ahead and apply that to our lash line. And I'm going to slightly wing it out. And for the lower lash line, we're going to take the shade In Big Trouble and take that on the waterline. Alright, so now that the eye look is almost complete, we're going to go ahead and jump right on into the Full Frontal Volume Curl and Lift Mascara from Fenty Beauty. Get full-on lashes with this do-it-all mascara that is designed to expose every lash. With the exclusive fat-to-flat brush that instantly volumizes, lifts, lengthens, and curls, this ultra black formula that is also water resistant and long wear will keep your lashes exposed all day. Alright, so the look is pretty much complete. I'm just going to go ahead and add on some gloss. This is the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in the shade Fussy. Alright guys, so this pretty much complete this look here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely head over to your local Sephora and try out some of these amazing Fenty Beauty products, especially the full frontal mascara because it volumizes, it lifts, it's curl, everything you need in a mascara. So definitely head over to your local Sephora and try that out. It has been real. My name is Sincerely Niko and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace. Bye.